Next, Shri Ashutosh Pathak Ji, Senior Architect, Generative and Traditional AI, IBM, for industry presentation on AI-powered citizen services. Desk.
So I'll not take much of your time, and I was thinking that within 10 minutes, what kind of a presentation, or I would say meta, I can present it to you so that it goes to, it sticks to your mind. It's kind of a food for thought. So it's a very short presentation, I would say, and I'll start with a video which is a use case which we, did a kind of a demo to the parliament of our parliament, the Ministry of Parliament Affairs, where they have thrown a use case to make life simple for our ministers or the elected members of the parliament. So the use case was that every minister when there are the sessions, they speak in their own languages, and then we do have the translators, then we do have the parliament reporters who keep on noting the session scripts and go back to the systems and refine it and then present it to the in terms of the document, right? So I'll just over here. So it's a live session which Sitaramanji is giving, and the system is transcribing it in front of the screen in multiple languages. Voice is missing.
Young entrepreneurs in rural areas, the fund will aim at bringing innovative and affordable solutions for challenges faced by farmers. It will also bring in modern technologies to transform agricultural practices.
So this was a simple kind of I would say food for thought. So when we talk about these systems or artificial intelligence, or be it automation, or we are infusing some kind of application with artificial intelligence, how good the accuracies are or how efficient the systems are to connect with the end user, right? So when we talk about the services, be it citizen services, be the services within the department, or be it a private company giving the services to the end user. So I think we all would agree with this. We live in an age of instant. When we talk about the government or citizen services, we as an end user, we always look for a grievance management, document issuance, application processing, payment, information access, response, delivery, answers, and of course gratifications. So when we design our system, are we taking care of all these things? In terms of, if I give you an example, when we talk about application processing, let's say I'm looking as a citizen, I'm looking for a birth certificate. I go apply for this application in the system. How many days do it take for me, or does the department take it to give the birth certificate to the citizen? Maybe it's 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, because it will go via a process in the system. We'll be having some kind of a signatory authority who will review it and do it. It will check the authenticity of the citizen, all those things, right? But how we can make the system more quicker so that we improve the overall experience for the user. So I would say the approximate, we do have all the services, be it private sector, be it government, everywhere we are talking about digital transformation. But are we really reaching out to the masses, solving the problem, taking the feedback into the system and trying to improve our services? So experience is everything when we talk about the services, be it internal or to the external users. So how frictionless is our citizen experience? Whether it's fast, efficient, personalized, self-service, helpful, or pleasant, right? And we do have this service, the technology available to solve all these things. So when we talk about or reach out to the services, this is how the grievance management system looks like. I have applied an application in the department. Maybe it will go in the review. It will take some days, or it will get lost somewhere in the system itself. How do I track it, whether it will get resolved or not? If it is not resolving, am I getting the answers from the system, right? So we do have the methods to reach out to the system, maybe via phone call, maybe via website, maybe some of the services are available on the WhatsApp also, right? So all these things are there, but are we getting the satisfaction or the experience we are looking for? And when we talk about, so this is the kind of the system we can generate for the end user, where we do have a single system. All the backend services are integrated with this, and then this becomes the single point of contact for the end user. So sometimes we call it as a virtual agent or conversational AI, And then, of course, we are living in an era of generative AI now. So this is how this experience look like, to increase the transparency, to increase the accountability, the collaboration, and citizen satisfaction. So think of a use case. Of course, every other department have its own portal. Every other department they are running their own digital transformation. How about integrating all those and give a single view to the citizen, right? Where they just go to the single portal, apply for that service, or maybe like automated process to get some of the certificates or some of the services, like a simple maybe paying a house tax, paying a water tax, or getting any certificate, right? So it's a single portal or single kind of a service, single experience or single window for all the services, and it does not matter to the end user how many applications in the back end is running, how many systems are there where the request will go and fetch it and it will come to the user, right? For user it does not matter at all. So this is how, as an IBM, we try to solve it. These are some of the name of our products. And the latest offering is Watson X. We call it a Watson X, where we do have multiple offerings available. And the video I was showing, we do have the capability to give you the translation of any language, from any language to any language. We work with our business partners, like we have been talking about Bhashini since morning. So I would say that it's a similar kind of a service. If you are looking that, yes, we are there. We can help you to build that system or infuse those kind of capabilities in your existing applications. So it's like, if you look like, of course, every state has this data hub available. We do have the data, we do have the applications, and then we can create a citizen service desk, which becomes a single point of contact for the citizens or any end user. When it comes to the, again, it's not just the data and AI portfolio in IBM. We go end to end, be it process automation, be it security, be it data governance, be it sustainability, be it blockchain. We do have the solution across the, any portfolio. You reach out to us, maybe or throw a use case to us, we'll come and show to you, try to solve your problem, and take it further. That's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, but I would like to request you to kindly stay back for 2 minutes. Along with that, I would like to request Dr. 𝐃𝐢𝐠𝐬𝐿, Additional Managing Director, Ayushman Bharat Digital Health Mission and Nodal Officer AI, UT of Jammu and Kashmir, to kindly come and join us on the dais to felicitate Shri Ashutosh Pathak ji. Can we have a big round of applause for both of them and for the amazing presentation?